Hello guys, my name is Pushkara Shinde. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to tell you about WHODD. So WHODD is a World Health Organization drug dictionary. It means WHO drug dictionary. In simple word, the World Health Organization created a dictionary which contain all the terms related to the pharmacy, various diseases, their symptoms, their signs, etc. All that included in the this drug dictionary. So the WHO drug dictionary is an international classification of medicine created by WHO program, WHO program of international drug monitoring and management. So in this dictionary, it mainly contain the international classification of all the medicines which is used in the globally. So the medication is a drug to diagnosis, cure, treatment or prevent disease. The drug therapy is a very important part of the medical field and relies on the science of the pharmacology for the continuous advancement and on a pharmacy management. So this dictionary is mainly used in the pharmaceutical company while we doing clinical trials, while we doing drug regulatory authorities for identifying the drug names and their spontaneous ADR. So it mainly contain all the information which is required, like pharmacovigilance of the particular drug, adverse drugs reaction, what are clinical trials, and what is the possible side effect of that particular drug what we are researching, and what the information is and what terms or information is required for drug regulatory system, etc. So it is created in 1968 and regularly updated since 2005. There have been a major development in the form of WHO drug dictionary, enhanced with if it's continuously, and various field data has been introduced and added to this dictionary. And world herbal dictionary, which cover the traditional herbal medicine. The since 2016, all of the world health drug products have been available in single subscription service, which is called as WHO drug global. So WHO organization. So the organization WHO drug is a drug code consists of 11 characteristic, which is the mainly alphanumeric code. It has a three part. The drug record number, which also called as a DRC. The second one, the sequence, and it is a one sequence, and sequence number 2, and then after that sequence number 2. The drug record number consists of 6 characters. Then the drug record number consists of 6 characters. It uniquely identifies activate moieties. So what is the moiety? In organic chemistry, the moiety is a part of the molecule that is given a name because it is identified as a part of the molecule. So it uniquely identified activity and moieties regarded to the salt from plant part and extract. The sequence one is used to uniquely identify different variation plant parts and extract method, thereby the defining activity substance or combination of activity substance. The WHO dictionary record is sharing the same drug record number 1 and sequence contain same variation. For multi-ingredient records, like sequence 1 identifies the combination of active molecules. Finally, the sequence 2 is uniquely identify the name of the World Health Organization. So the World Health Organization offer the 4 formats called B1, B2, B3, B and C3. B3 format is the brief file, and C3 format contains the additional columns to the B3. So in 2006, there is the first version of WHO drug dictionary has been introduced, and another version is introduced in the 1st June in 2007. So WHO concept can be organized. This dictionary concept has been organized. Can be organized in groups. Standardized group drug grouping defines group of drugs. It defines group of drugs. So, so the medical the this dictionary is mainly is given by the organization which is called as WHO, and it contains all the information whatever which is required for in pharmaceutical field, like pharmacovigilance, clinical trials, drug IDR, etc. So thank you guys for watching this video.